Okay guys, I am super excited about our new cream clays. If you don't know by now, we actually launched these in the large mystery box. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's a secret apparently that Greg's probably already told you. But I am excited about this because this year we went with really deep jewel tones. Something that's going to be really amazing and on trend for winter. So let's get into swatching them. Let's just start with this. This is called Highfalutin. And this color is the most beautiful, like jewel forest green. I think it's really amazing for the holiday season. Okay, so what I just love is the workability. Like I said, it just kind of melts onto the nail. And the way that of course, we're doing this on a tip right now. But if I was working on a person, the way I can get up close to their cuticle area and not have to worry about it moving or running into it is amazing. Okay, that's Highfalutin. Okay, so guys, we got our first coat on there. Let's go ahead and freeze it in the light. Freezing's about 20-30 seconds. We can be working on other people's hands, their other hand, but we're gonna get this in light just to get it to stop moving so we can put a second coat. Okay, so we froze it. Let's get our second coat of Highfalutin on. And I mean, guys, this is such a beautiful jewel tone forest green. It's gonna be amazing. There's our second coat. Let's get it in the light and we'll move on to our next color. Let's move on. We're gonna continue with more traditional holiday colors, which would be a red. Guys, this red is so pretty. It has like this beautiful shimmer to it. Let me just show you. Let's get it on and then we can debate. But it is like a gorgeous jeweled red tone. And if you notice, it's a little more on the sheer side, which I kind of like because we can build. We can keep it sheer or we can build up. And I think that's kind of fun. If you want to do more of a kind of liquid art stained glass look, you can get it, or we can build up on it and get it to be opaque. But it's just got this glow that's so yummy. Okay, let's get it in the light. We'll set it and then we'll put our second coat. Okay, so pretty. I kind of really like it sheer, but we're gonna move on. We're gonna do a second coat. Let's get a nice, as Greg likes to say, healthy amount. Everybody wants to know what that actually means. It means get a good amount on your brush. When you get a good amount on your brush, it's easier to work with the product. So we're gonna get a good amount. Walk it through. And you can see we're starting to build up that color. If this was on a natural nail or over a cover pink, it would be completely opaque at this point. If you're doing it over clear, you can always do 3 coats. A lot of times I do 3 coats. That's my touch-up coat, but I'm liking it the way it is. Let's get it in the light. Now, remember guys, full cure on cream clays is 1 minute. So we're gonna do that. Up next, the name's killing me. Grown-up table. We all want to sit at the grown-up table. Not anymore. I would like to sit at the kids' table. But this burnt orange terracotta is, I think I called the red yummy, but this really is yummy. Like, that is such a pretty fall color. Let's get it. Let's see what it looks like. This is gonna look so good with so many things. I just picture like a set with bronze glitter or I don't know, some falls colors, some bronze. I like battle snake on this. Oh, that would be pretty. Close, there we go. Make sure I got my sides. Look at that. Okay, let's freeze it. Get the second coat. Okay, let's get our second coat. And I said jewel tones on these, and a lot of them are, but I guess this wouldn't really be considered jewel tones, but it's still just warm and fuzzy. It makes me feel good in life, and I think this is like literally the perfect warm, toasty, sit by the fire, need to drink a hot toddy, and wear this color. Just perfect for fall and winter. Okay, we're back to the jewel. This color is the perfect amethyst purple, and it has the perfect name. It's what I'm gonna do when I get home tonight. It's called Uncorked. So just picture that perfect bottle of Merlot. I don't know. I don't drink too fancy of wines. Usually it's a box of wine, guys. But look at that. It's not that. Just gorgeous amethyst purple color. And purples, especially this color, usually is always on trend for winter, fall, winter, holidays. You can never go wrong. I have a Fergie I'm trying to get out. Okay, let's get that first coat. Okay, first coat. Let's pick up that second coat of this beautiful Uncorked. Put our second coat. It's like confused. Do I want to hold it? Do I want to set it down? But when I'm not balancing, I shake even more than I typically do. So we're just going to do it this way. It is so pretty. Okay. Okay. Let's get it in for our final coat, or final cure. On to the next color. And this is what you do after you've been at the grown-up table and you're uncorked. You go to Snoozertown. I don't know why color excites me so much, but look at that. It's like a, I don't know, a mix between a light navy blue, maybe a royal blue. I don't know. This is just pretty blue. Okay, let's pick it up. It actually has kind of a teal tone to it when you put it on. And this kind of is more translucent, kind of like the red. So you have a buildability with it. You can kind of get a stained glass look or build up on it and get more of an opaque look. Okay, let's get it in. Okay, let's grab our second coat and get it on. That is so pretty. Okay, final cure, and we'll go over the last color. Last but not least, and it really bugs me it doesn't fit on with the rest of them, that we have to do it all by itself, all only. Stalker Paws, which describes my dogs perfectly. Now this, guys, is an amazing holographic silver. How much easier is that just to take it in a cream clay and just paint it on? I'm gonna show ya. This is gonna be so much fun to do over the other colors. I can't wait. It's like just the perfect trail of little fairy dust of holographic. And nothing says winter like a holographic silver. Okay, first coat. Let's get that second coat. And of course, again, this is buildable too. This isn't meant to be really opaque. It's always gonna kind of be translucent, but the more you do, the more glitter you'll get. Look at that. It's like a unicorn. Let's get it in the light. Okay guys, so we're done. Let's take a look at these again and go through their names. We've got Highfalutin. By the way, I top coat these, so they're good to go. And then we got Good on Paper. Gosh, such a pretty red. We have Grown Up's Table, or Grown Up. Let's make sure. Grown Up Table. I was right. We got it. We got Uncorked. We have, let's see where it's centered. We have Snoozertown. And last but not least, we have Stalker Paws. And guys, we always like to tell a good story here when we do colors. We like them to kind of go with each other, mix, match. So let's make this make a story, because we can mix and match all we want. Let's see, we always want to be at the grown-up table. Once we've been at the grown-up table, we want to make sure that we get something uncorked. Then after all that, we're looking Highfalutin. And then we're gonna go a little bit to Snoozertown. and then have our little Stalker Paws on there. And as always, we want to look good on paper. I hope you guys like this collection. I love it. It is in the large mystery box this year, but after, don't worry, if you didn't get the large mystery box and you're watching this, they will launch after Black Friday. I hope you like them. Actually, guys, I've changed my mind because I'm feeling inspired. And why not show you guys some more things in this video, maybe, that really would go well with these colors. So I'm also going to pull out our foils that we've launched. And the foils in the small mystery box. So if you got that, you got these. Let's add some and do a little playing. Let's show you how to apply them. And guys, I repainted these. These actually, cream clays have a tack to them, a slight tack, which is perfect for laying foil in. So I gave Jorge the ones I top coated. He's gonna keep those for beauty shots. We just started over, and these have been coated twice and have that tacky layer. I'm thinking, I don't know, I think this coppery orangey color is gonna look amazing on this green. I say it's a forest green, but you know what? It's kind of like a dark army green too. I don't know, you tell me. But we can either take the foil and kind of tear it up. Depends what pieces you want. And guys, if you've worked with foil, you know it's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna be on you. Do not sneeze because you're gonna be in trouble. We can also just take a orange wood stick if I had one, or something where we can pull it apart a little bit better. I'm gonna use a gel brush. You can use a makeup brush, whatever you prefer. I like using, this is our Finesse gel brush. I like how it puts things on. You can put it down. I love this foil because it flattens out beautifully. It goes into that tack coat beautifully of that cream clay. I don't know how many pieces we want. I don't want to cover the green because I really like the green. You want to come through, you can always take a little bit of a blade and do some separation, whatever you want. Flatten it down as much as possible. And typically I like to do 2 coats, the top coat over the top. Again, the foil flattens out beautifully, but just in case, so your client doesn't feel anything, 2 top coats work wonders. I don't know, I think that is simplistic. And that's what I love about things like foil glitter, because you can do the most simplistic design, make extra money, yes, of course, but create something completely beautiful. Working on glass, I always had glass over my table. Things like this makes it way easier. Or you can have a little tile or a painter's palette or something like that. I'm just being stupid today, so we're just going off the table towel. I want those small little flakes. What if we took a little Stalker Paw? Just add a little. Get it really screaming. We top coat that. That's, yeah, I like it. Okay, let's freeze that, and then let's see. I mean, I'm not gonna do all these, but we might as well play a little bit, right? I have to try this fuchsia. I think that'll look good on the Uncorked. I think it'd be kind of a fun pop. Got a little of the copper in there, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. Can always cover it up. Obviously, we're not getting crazy creative here, but I just want to show you how the foils go on and what they look like and how much of a problem you're going to have getting them back in the jar. Let's flatten those down. See, I like how that just creates just a tad of a variation on that Uncorked. So pretty. We'll put that back later. Okay, let's see. Red. What do I want to do in the red? Should we do black? Let's do black. This black seems to have a little bit of a blue hinge to it. which I like because it's gonna make it a little more reflective. If you've ever worked with like a straight black glitter, they tend to not have much reflective properties to it. It kind of starts looking like pepper in your nails. So we tend to put another iridescent in it, and that's either going to typically turn it blue or purple or something like this. And this seems to have like a little bit of a blue. Let's get another big piece. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. You're just seeing the foil colors. I'm not supposed to be doing designs. You're just seeing foil. So we're not gonna add on top of it. We're not going any further. I'm gonna get myself in trouble. Okay, and grown up table. I think gold. Let's do gold. See, this is where you get to pick like which gold is gonna look best on there or what your preference is. And I'm really digging like this medium. It's more in the middle of these two. I think it'll look really good against that kind of burnt orange terracotta. I'm just gonna pick it up as one whole piece. Oh yeah, look at that. Just like even a little bit gold against stuff like that just makes all the difference in the world. Okay guys, I'm not gonna get carried away. Jorge's giving me the look of like, this wasn't supposed to be designs, it's just supposed to show foils against colors, and that's what we have done. But I mean, I know y'all want to come up with something amazing. Don't forget to tag us. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna top coat it and you can see the look after. Jorge will shoot you those beauty shots. I hope you like it.
Subscribe channel now. Subscribe channel now. Sub and subscribe